I can't explain. I got a feeling that I can't erase. Just a feeling that I won't leave behind. Because it's something that it's on my mind. I guess it goes like na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Welcome to Pawai Church. I am your So welcome to Pawai Church. Pawai Church is, or also known as the San Agustin Church in Pawai, the historical church is one of the most iconic and well-preserved of Spanish colonial architecture in the Philippines. It was started in 1694 and by Antonio Estabilo in 1710 and rededicated in 1896.
Be sure to explore the church grounds where you will find a bell tower separate from the main building, known as the La Torre de Paway. This bell tower served as a watchover and very during the Spanish colonial service.
Notice its imposing facade made of baked bricks and coral stones. Inside, you will be amazed by the massive wooden beams that support the roof, a unique feature of Pawai Church.
Aside from the roof, the church facade also includes Japanese architecture reference the town of Pawai was originally called Bombay as the earliest inhabitant of the town from Egypt. So thank you for joining me this tour of Pawai Church. I hope you have enjoyed learning about it, its history and our cultural significance. Feel free to explore further on your own in the beauty of